Hey, do you want to earn money online by simply installing the apps, playing games, watching ads, daily checking and filling the surveys? Then this video is for you, because in this video we are going to show you the best money earning app. And with the help of this app you can easily earn a big amount of money through all of these methods. You can easily withdraw your earnings into your PayPal account or many types of gift cards like Amazon gift card, Google Play gift card and much more. So watch this video till the end, because in the last of this video we will give you the best genuine bonus site from which you can easily earn Bitcoin. But before going ahead, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Simply go to the Play Store and type LOOTSOURCE, then search it. Download this first app. Here you can see this app ratings on the Play Store. This is really awesome. After downloading this app, simply open and click on the skip button. Now you can sign up with Google or email. Here fill your primary email address. Then click on this icon. Now type your password and again confirm your password. Then click here. Now you can set your username according to you. After all of these process, first verify your email address and then click to the close option. Now click on the redeem free code option and apply the same code which is shown on the screen. Here you can see after applying this code, your account credited $0.2. In this app, 500 coins is equal to $1, which is really good. Here you can see lots of earning methods are available. Let us understand all of these options one by one. First, claim your daily reward. After claiming your daily rewards continuously for 7 days, you can automatically participate in this event. Now go back and click on the games option. Here you can see lots of games are available. You can choose any one. For example, let's suppose I choose this color water game. Simply click on it. And now you can see, if you download and open this app, you will get 1 coin and 4 entry tokens. And if you reach levels 40 in this game, you will get 8 coins and 32 entry tokens, and so on. Similarly, you can choose any game and earn money easily. Now go back and click surveys option. First select your date of birth and then click the next option. Choose your gender, male or female, and again click the next option. Fill your postal code and then click the finish option. Here you can see your profile survey has been completed and your account credited some reward coins and gems. Now click to the next option and here you can see 2 types of survey sections are available. Simply click on the first option and complete any survey by simply clicking on it and earn money easily. Now go back and let's move to other earning features of this app. Simply click on the giveaways option. Here you can see lots of giveaway sections are available. You can easily enter in any giveaway section by simply clicking on it. And lots of money you can easily earn. Now go back and click the record video option. If you have a YouTube channel, then you can create a video related to this app and earn 2 coins for every 100 views, which is low but you can try it. You can also earn some coins by inviting your friends and checking these other options. Now you can withdraw your earnings by simply clicking on the shop icons. Minimum withdrawal amount is only 500 coins, which is really awesome. After completing 500 coins, you can easily withdraw your earnings in your PayPal account, and you can also withdraw your earnings through multiple gift cards. This is one of the best money earning apps. Now let's move to our bonus earning site. Simply go to the description box below and join my Telegram channel, because we will put the link of this site there. With the help of this site, you can earn Bitcoin by simply watching the ads, which is around 5 to 20 seconds, and you can easily withdraw your earnings into your Pocket Pay wallet or any types of Bitcoin wallet address. Now it is important to know that this website is real or fake. Here you can see this website ratings on the Trustpilot. This is really awesome. So don't forget to check out this site and also join my Telegram channel so that you keep getting this type of money earning sites and apps. Link is in the description.